Hello, let us go through a technique for multiplying two-digit numbers. This technique is a part of Vedic Mathematics. So, for example, if we want to multiply two numbers, which is 22 and 34. So, in this particular technique, the first step is multiplying the last digits of the two numbers. So in this case it is 2 and 4. So multiplying 2 and 4 is 8. So this 8 is the last digit of the resulting number. The next step is the diagonal multiplication, which is multiplying 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. So this is basically first digit of the first number with last digit of the second number and last digit of the first number with the first digit of the second number. So in this case it becomes 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 3 is 6, which becomes 14. So now here, if the result is a two-digit number, then the second digit is a part of the result set, whereas the first digit becomes the carryover for the next step. So the next step would be to multiply first digits of the two numbers. In this case it is 2 and 3. So it becomes 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, plus 1 as the carryover, which is 7. So the 7 now becomes the first digit of the resulting number. So the result is 7, 4, 8. So 22 multiplied by 34 is equal to 748. Let us try another example. So another example, let us take the numbers 67 into 45. So in this case again, following the three steps, the first step would be to multiply the last digit of the two numbers, which is 7 multiplied by 5 becomes 35. Now this is a two-digit number, so 5 will be a part of the result set, whereas 3 becomes the carryover for the next step. The next step is the diagonal multiplication. So here in this case it was 6 multiplied by 5, addition 7 multiplied by 4 plus the carryover. So 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, which becomes 58, and 3 is the carryover, so 58 plus 3 is 61. Here again it's a two-digit number, so 1 is a part of the result set, whereas 6 is the carryover for the next step. The next step is multiplying first digits of the two numbers, which is 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24, plus 6 is the carryover from the previous step, so the result becomes 30. So the final result for multiplication of 67 into 45 would be 3015. So 67 multiplied by 45 is 3015. Let us go through this again quickly. So what we did was 7 multiplied by 5, which is 35. So 5 comes here, 3 is the carryover. Then 6 multiplied by 5 plus 7 multiplied by 4, which is 58, plus 3 as the carryover becomes 61. So take 1 here and 6 as the carryover for the next step. The next step is 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24, plus the carryover from the previous step, which is 6. So 24 plus 6 is 30. So the answer is 3015.